Google Ads Manager, how to use it like a pro. Welcome to this guide on mastering Google Ads Manager. Whether you're new to digital advertising or looking to refine your skills, this video will help you use Google Ads like a pro. Let's start with a quick overview. Google Ads Manager is a centralized platform to manage and optimize your online advertising campaigns. It allows you to track your ads' performance, make adjustments, and maximize your return on investment. First, set up your account by linking it to your website and other Google services. This helps ensure you're targeting the right audience and using the relevant data. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Here, you can monitor key metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversion rates. Keep an eye on these to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Keywords play a crucial role in your ad's success. Use Google's Keyword Planner to research and select the best keywords for your campaigns. This tool provides insights into search volume and competition for each keyword. Creating compelling ad copy is essential. Focus on clear, engaging messages that include your chosen keywords. This increases the likelihood of users clicking on your ads. Don't forget to utilize ad extensions. These provide additional information with your ads, such as links to specific parts of your website, which can enhance user engagement. Budgeting wisely is important. Set a daily budget and bids according to your campaign goals. Monitor your spending to ensure your ads remain cost-effective. Regularly analyze your campaign's performance. Use Google's reporting tools to identify trends and areas for improvement. This helps refine your strategy and optimize results over time. Lastly, consider A/B testing. Experiment with different headlines, images, and calls to action to discover what resonates best with your audience. And that's how you can use Google Ads Manager like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on digital marketing. Thanks for watching.